Hi there. Thank you so much for viewing my real estate calendar. This is an instructional tutorial on how this Excel spreadsheet works. This spreadsheet works on Google Sheets. So let's go in the top left-hand corner. This is to where you can select a month. So we can choose any month and it will change your calendar accordingly. Let's go back to this current month. And then you can also change the year. So this calendar works in any year. So if we want to go to the year 2030, that will change things as well. Next, we have recurring weekly appointments. So you see that we've got a meeting here on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We're going to scroll to the right, and here is the place where you can put recurring meetings. So that if we have an appointment on this day, and then we have an appointment on this day, that will go into our sheet and it will show up on, every day that we've got recurring an appointment. Now, one important thing about this is that if you want to put in if you're looking at your month, you want to put in your monthly recurring appointments first, and then you can go in and fill up the sheet with extra things. The way the spreadsheet works, it wants to have the recurring items first on the list, and then you can put in, your extra items below. So let's try that again. And then we'll take out our extra things. Okay, we'll go in here and we'll put appointments. Okay, and then we'll go back here and we will see that all of our appointments showed up. Perfect. Now, the next thing is if I have, showings, closings, anything else, then we can fill up our calendar on the row below. And so we can say that we've got a showing this day. We've got a closing this day. Let's start at the top, closing. And there's only enough room on this row for, this, so we can only fill it up so much. So anything left over, you want to put it on the line below it with any other details. And then let's see here, we've got a closing scheduled for this day, 3 p.m. We could say bring thank you gift. Okay, so that is how the calendar works. You're welcome to change it, and then you go to the following month. Once you go to the next month, you're going to need to move all your showings, and then take off the extra items. But your recurring items will stay there as you move along. Okay, next, the to-do list. So you've got an important to-do thing here. And then you've got an important item here. And then as you have them, you can check them off the list. And then when you check them off, it's going to turn pink. All of my spreadsheets I have available. We can change the colors for you. So if you go into my shop, our standard colors are neutral browns, gray, aqua, and pink. If you want any requests for any special colors, you can send me a message on my shop and I'll be happy to help you. Okay, the next one is goals. So here you can write, Q4 goal. Any of your goals you can put here. There's also a place up in the header that we can do a strike through. So you can do that strike through once you've done your goals. This back down. And then notes. any kind of special notes that you're wanting to write, you can add that there. So that is how your calendar works for real estate agents. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. Thank you.